This particular film is a must watch for every Indian, and it will make you realize that being a common man is not a limitation to fight for your country or to do something for your country. Hi friends, welcome back to English Guru Campus. I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to talk about the movie Uddham Singh, directed by Sujit Sirkal, Vicky Ghoshal in lead role. So first of all, I want to tell you a situation when I decided to watch this film. It was like this when I was reading the movie review of Jai Bhim, I came across this movie name, that is Uddham Singh. That many people were saying that you have to watch this film. It's a masterpiece. So then I decided to watch this film. So the most important factor that made me curious to watch this film was I came to know that Bhagat Singh is portrayed in this film. So I was really curious to know what happened. And then Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It was one of the most unfortunate things happened in India. And then I started watching this film. So at first I experienced a lag personally, because as I told you before, I was expecting to see Bhagat Singh and the things, the events and situations around Bhagat Singh. But when I continued watching this film, I came to know that being a common man is not a limitation. Because when we watch this film, Uddham Singh will make us realize that even if you are a common person, if you are among common people, you also can do many things. And when we see this film, I to be frank, I became emotional. And why? Because when he was caught, and he in this film, it is, I don't know words to express that, because he was hit by police, and the sufferings that he had. When I thought that these people suffered for us and we are experiencing the freedom right now, then I became emotional. And these people, I can't imagine a person like this, because of the sufferings that he, the things that he suffered from British police. And then I continued watching that film. And the patience, the patience that he had, his aim, he didn't divert from his aim. And it took 21 years for him to do that, to accomplish his aim. But in this film, we can see many Indian traits, the traits of Indian, that we have a tendency to take revenge, but in between we'll be like, we will consider other persons as well, the emotions of other persons as well. So it's beautifully portrayed in this film. And Vicky Kaushal made a wonderful acting. And Bhagat Singh as Amal Parashar, it was like, I don't have words to express, to describe the acting skill of these people, the casting, the making of the film. Everything is really wonderful. And when we come to know that the sufferings of the people, then it will make us emotional too. So I suggest everyone to watch this film. This is my humble request. Please watch this film, as I suggested you to watch Jai Bhim. Likewise, I suggest you to watch this film Uddham Singh. We should watch, and we should remember these people, and we should pay tribute to these people. You know, all the days we live in India, we should remember these people, because the freedom that we are experiencing is just because of their sufferings. And Vicky Ghoshal, I salute you. And Amal Parashar, I salute you. Every actor in this film, some British people as well. They are, in cinemas like this, we could see many good British people. So everything is there. So you must watch this film. I personally suggest this film. Please watch this film. So that's it, and please share your thoughts and your opinions about this film on comment section. Thank you, and still I'm you know shocked and emotional about this film. And yes, next time we'll talk about another film. Till then, you take care. Bye.